Film Festival. He was going to promote Kabhi Khushi Kabhi Gham. And everyone back home told him, why are you going to Cannes? Why are you taking the film to an international platform? It's just a waste of time. And my father said that if my film can be viewed in India and connect with millions of people, then isn't the world emotional? Then if India can take to the film, and it's about parents and children, it's about mothers and sons, it's about fathers and sons, and doesn't everyone else in the world have a father? And doesn't everyone have a son? And doesn't everyone have a daughter? So if India can connect to this story, I'm sure, so can Germany, so can France, and so can Poland.
Yes.
And he went to Cannes and he promoted it viciously, all over the place. He went and promoted it extensively. And we found an audience for Kabhi Khushi Kabhi Gham. And I want to thank everyone in Germany for being the first to support my film, for being the first. I can't even describe to you the way I feel today. It's a blend of emotion, it's a blend of pride, it's a blend of happiness. It's because my father's dream today, standing on this stage, stands true. I so miss him today. I lost him 2.5 years ago. And I know if he was with me, holding my hand on this stage today, he would be so proud because he saw this, he dreamt this, he saw it happen, and it has happened. And it's only thanks to Germany that this has happened. All you loyal, faithful fans in Germany opened the doors and windows to Indian cinema and let it travel then after that to Poland, to France, and now even to Yugoslavia and everywhere else in Europe, where it's got tremendous acceptance and tremendous appreciation. It's actually all of you that opened the avenues. And so clap for yourself just now.
No, for you.
And as Shweta very rightfully said, that everyone initially thought it was a fashion. But I want to say, ladies and gentlemen, it's not a fashion. It's your passion that has made it all happen. Just walking the red carpet and seeing all your reactions to our cinema makes me feel so exceptionally proud. And on behalf of everyone associated with Kabhi Alvida Na Kehna, Shah Rukh Khan, Amitabh Bachchan, Rani Mukherjee, Preeti Abhishek Bachchan, and of course Jaya Bachchan, Kajal, Hrithik Roshan, Kareena Kapoor, all of them, I thank you from the bottom of my heart. I can't tell you how happy I feel here to present my new film, Kabhi Alvida Na Kehna, to all of you. Back home, Kabhi Alvida Na Kehna released domestically 2 months ago, and I brought it now to you today, and I sincerely hope you like it. I sincerely hope you appreciate all our effort. We shot in cold New York last year. It was very cold. We made Rani wear a chiffon sari in minus 14 degrees Celsius. And we hope that you appreciate the endeavors, appreciate all the effort of my entire team. It's a film made with a lot of heart, with a lot of soul, and a lot of thought. It's a film that broke a lot of mainstream boundaries. Broke some marriages, I think, as well. But of course, jokes aside, it's a film that was emotionally unusual for Indian cinema and had all kinds of reactions, some controversial, some progressive, some with a lot of appreciation and praise. But I'm so happy to bring the film to the Hamburg Film Festival, and I'm very grateful to the authorities of the festival to welcome us with open arms and give us so much love and support. And again, a final thank you to all of you who have made this so possible. Thank you.
Before you leave, maybe you can convince Karan. I'm definitely going to try. Karan, you've shot in London, you've shot in New York, if I'm not mistaken, LA?
No, never.
Not LA, okay. James Bond thought Hamburg was great.
I see that as a very distinct possibility because of the love and the support and all the encouragement, I'm going to go back and tell everyone back home that Germany is the place to be.
It's one of the... Don't you think Nuremberg is one of the most beautiful places in the world? It should Deutschland.
I agree, Sudha, and you promised me when I come and bring my film and my unit here, you will be our line producer.
I will do anything for you, Karan. I will do anything for you. Okay, we're going to be seeing Karan very soon, and Karan, all the very, very best.
Thank you.
Yeah.
And God bless all of you. Thank you.
God bless you.